truck, and motorcycle show. We are here to raise money for the Boys and Girls Club of Clifton, the most wonderful organization. We got together with cars, trucks, motorcycles, spectators. Well, so please, if you can, watch our website, come on down to all our other events. This is it, the place to be, Clifton.
I recently purchased this 1953 Chevy Gasser. We've been doing the show for now the past 6 years. My son actually went there. He played basketball for Bob Foster. He went to aftercare there. So they've been a big part, and we want to support them by coming out to do this.